joint statement by the World Evangelical Alliance.
Thank you, Madam Vice President. The World Evangelical Alliance and the Salvation Army welcome the Special Rapporteur's report and fully support its urgent call to end the worst forms of child labor. Nowhere is this situation more stark than in sub-Saharan Africa, where 1 in 4 children, an estimated 86.6 million, are forced to work. In Tanzania alone, 4.2 million children are subjected to the worst forms of child labor, including mining, quarrying, fishing, and domestic work. In the gold mining region of Geita, 96% of school absenteeism is linked directly to child labor. We note that children exploited for labor are often subjected to sexual exploitation as well. We emphasize the critical role of community-based strategies where local networks, including churches, can be mobilized to prevent exploitation and support families in keeping children in school. Equally, children themselves must be included in shaping solutions that affect them. We strongly affirm the non-punishment principle as a cornerstone of protection. However, its effectiveness relies on robust, child-sensitive identification systems and remedies. Without them, children remain invisible and unprotected. We affirm that every child carries inherent worth and must be protected. We call on all governments and stakeholders to act with urgency and unity to make this a lived reality for every child. I thank you.